So, how to solve hashtag 100 invalid parameter on Messenger app? Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video at the moment I will be showing you how you can fix this error in your mobile. So whenever you try to create a new fresh messenger account, you are facing this problem, hashtag 100 invalid parameter. So I'll tell you the exact solution, what you can do so that you will be fixing this problem quickly in your mobile. So now let's go back. Actually, I have taken this screenshot. This problem I was facing on hours ago. Few hours back I was facing this same exact problem on my messenger when I was trying to create a messenger account. Okay, now what happened whenever we try to create a new messenger account, we usually face this problem, and especially those people face this problem whenever they used to whenever they try to create a Doyle app from their phone, and they used to sign in or create a new account in their phone. Okay, so like guys, basically what you have to do is, here you have two solution and then other two solution. I'll tell you 3 to 4 solution which will definitely help you to fix this problem. So now, number one is, I would suggest you to restart your mobile. The very first solution is restart your mobile, and after restarting your mobile, you just go to Messenger and then try to create the account. You will see your problem is fixed. But if by any chance if the problem is not being fixed, then what you have to do is go to Play Store, and then from here you have to search Messenger. Okay, now let's go to Messenger. Now let's go to MESSENGER Messenger, and then from here, if a Messenger itself is asking you for the update, then you have to update it. Okay, if there is update, then you just update it. And then if the beta program is full, but if the beta program is showing that you can join the beta version, then you just join it. Okay, sometimes what happen is Messenger team give priorities to the beta users. Okay, so whenever we try to use beta, most of the problems we do not face in our Messenger. Now after doing this, restart your mobile again and then open your Messenger app and then try to create the account. I believe and I give you the guarantee that definitely your problem will be fixed. But by any chance, if the problem remains same, then what you have to do is go to your settings, and then here you have to go to app management. Okay, now after going to app management, what you have to do, you may find instead of app management, you may find installed apps or application manager. Okay, now here what you have to do is click on the show system processes or all application. Okay, or select all apps, and then now here you have to search system launcher, which obviously start from the S. So now let's get system launcher. Where is system launcher? Here is the system launcher. Click over it and then go to storage usage and then click on the clear data and then clear it. After clearing it, what happened is your mobile, all the applications in your phone get restart. Okay, they get the fresh start, and then most of the problems automatically disappeared. Now what you have to do is go to permission and then allow this to permission and then go back. Again go back. Now what you have to do is you have to search the app which you are facing the problem. Just open up your Messenger now here. Go back to storage. Before going to storage, once click on the force stop and then force stop it, and then click on the storage usage. Go to manage space, and then here you'll get the clear data option. Okay, I'll go back, just clear cache, and then you will see an option here, clear data. Click over it and then clear the data. Okay, and come back and go to permission, and then allow all this permission, and then go back. And then now what you have to do is simply go to your home screen and then click to your messenger app. Now let's open up our messenger. Where is our messenger? Messenger is here. Click on the messenger, and then here let's try to create an account. This isn't me. Let's try to create an account. And then now I'll put my mobile number. Okay, 9856 9856 and the next. And then let's create a password here. HELLO, hello, and the next. And then my full name, and then click on the next, and then click on the create account. So guys, what was happening is whenever we try to click, right after clicking on the create account, we were getting the issue hashtag invalid parameter. Now let's click on the create account, and after clicking the create account, it is saying getting you a code. Okay, so now let's wait for some time and then see whether our problem has been solved or not. As you can see, your password must be at least 6 character. So now HELLO, hello, IND, and then next, and then create account. Now let's wait. As you can see, enter the code. Enter the code we sent you by text message to login. As you can see, our problem has been solved because we have bypassed to the OTP section. So guys, this is how you can fix your problem. I believe this video definitely helps you. If you are still facing the problem, please comment down below and let me know what you are facing exactly. I will try to give my best to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.